From Two Feathers Gallery, and I would like to welcome you to my Etsy shop. And you'll find lots of fantasy, new age and wildlife themed fine art and crafts, and this includes my oil and acrylic original paintings available as digital downloads, and loads of dragon eyes, dream catchers, lots of things with crystals in them, and much more. So I'm a chronically ill and disabled artist going on 15 years now, and I work from a tiny studio at home for very short periods of time, up sitting or kneeling down. However, most of my work is done lying down in bed with a special easel, and I hope that you really enjoy my shop and you find it both fun and inspirational.